Buck's flat out making breakfast. How's the bodies feeling today?
Not a bother.
Oh, yeah, good. We slept fucking well after that, Klein. Yeah. I was proper spent yesterday when I got home.
What time do we go to bed? 9, half 9?
Yeah, I was bed. What time did I get the pillow? Gone. Half 6 alarm. Fucked off the ground. Yeah.
A very domesticated bunch of lads. Look at that. Wash and done before we go home.
Sub 25. 5Ks like.
Right.
You know. You're an animal if you're doing 20K, you're one of them.
Yeah.
Or 20 minutes, you're one of them freaks.
Lift time.
Lift time. What's the crack today, boys?
No one let off.
What day are we on?
The last day.
Tuesday, isn't it?
Saturday. We're about to head in a 5K as well.
Oh yeah, piece of piss. 2.5.
Yeah.
Warm up and we'll get running and we'll get back home and dry. So a quick one as well, guys. Last week the brunch party, how good was that? There we go. Well, we got something even better.
Giddy up, boys. Hey.
Are we ready? A good one today. Yeah. Alright. I'm going the Irish right away, man. I'm feeling at home. Okay. 3, 2, 1, run!
We done a lot more cardio than we expected on this trip, didn't we? Yeah. Hola. Oh! Yours. Oh, giddy up. Yeah, perfect. Sure, that's all we want. Look at this. Holy bananas. Look at him. Look at the book. The book is here to bring us presents for all our hard work. Ooh. Look at this. Did you order, Brock? A big fucking look for steak. Sauces. Oh, and we forgot about the pasta. Yeah, good stuff. Will do. Lamb chops. Oh my God, we're going to eat tonight, so we are, lads. The boys had to wait until I came back.
Natural yogurt.
Show us your natural yogurt. Oh, look at that. It's like a boob. Lads, giddy up, get stuck in.